Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to check IP address using Python. Now before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. Now let's get started. So for you to make this program, you need a code editor or an IDE, and in this lesson I will be using PyCharm. So now I'm going to import, import socket, then enter. I'm going to click enter, then host name space is equal to socket dot get hostname parentheses. After this, I'm going to click on enter, then I'm going to write IP address underscore or IP underscore address is equal to socket dot get host name get host by name. Okay, like that. Get host by name, and then inside the parentheses I'm going to put host name. Yeah, then I'm going to click enter, then I'm going to leave one line blank, then I'm going to write print. Yeah, I'm going to print, then I'm going to write f the quotes, then IP address then I'm going to insert the curly brackets, then inside the curly brackets I'm gonna write IP underscore address, like that. Now I'm done. Now I'm going to run the program. As you can see, this is my IP address. The program is successful, and like this video and share it to your friends. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.